Our coverage continues in Raritan, New Jersey. That's where the powerful storm knocked down several fence-posted panels. It also wiped out this stair railing at the entrance of this home.
CBS 2's Magdalena Doris is live in Raritan with a closer look at the damage. Magdalena?
Good morning, Dick and Andrea. As you can see, the winds are still whipping and the damage here is severe left behind. Anything that was loose outside or even tied or weighted down was pushed around by these strong wind gusts. And as you can see, if you look up to the second floor of this building, the siding is now flapping in the wind. I would imagine anything that has been knocked loose overnight may have a chance of coming down later on today with these wind gusts. In Raritan, New Jersey, gusts up to 60 miles per hour have damaged homes. Jose Rodriguez has been up all night. He says he doesn't know what to do after high winds knocked the window out of his son's room, sending a television crashing from the second floor to the ground, ripping down fences, sending outdoor furniture flying. When he opened his front door, he was knocked over by dangerous wind gusts.
I just seen everything in my living room twirling around. My lamp broke, so I was scared about getting electrocuted and so on. So I mean, that's what I first saw, you know what had happened.
Storms moved through Woodland Park, New Jersey. Flashes of lightning and a downpour of hail blanketed streets. The clumps of hail falling the size of pennies. The dangerous winds spread throughout the area, uprooting trees in Newark, New Jersey. On Palm Street, a large tree trunk crashed to the ground, barely missing a parked minivan. On South Orange Avenue, Newark police used chainsaws to clear fallen limbs and branches broken by high winds. Back here live, neighbors I spoke to say they've never felt something like this before within their neighborhood. Other that they're concerned they may not be able to stay inside of their apartments because of severe damage to their roofs caused by this wind. As you can see, the wind is still blowing out here. We are under that.
You can see the wind is blowing so hard it took out that shot, Maggie's shot there, but you can certainly hear that wind howling.